In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Siri on your Apple Watch SE. First of all, we have to enable and set up Siri. To do that, press the crown to go to your app library. From app library, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on Siri. Here, tap on listen for, and here don't select off. If you select off, your Siri will not work. So you can select this Siri or Hey Siri, or you can just select Hey Siri option. Then go back from here and then enable raise to speak option here. And you can also enable press digital crown to active your Siri by turning on this option. And here you find your all Siri history. Go back and tap on language. And now from here you can just go ahead and select a language for your Siri. Tap on back, tap on Siri voice, and then you can just go ahead and select a different Siri voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the night through the clear night.
If you scroll down, here you get more options. You can just go ahead and customize. Now let's see how to active Siri and use. Just say, Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What did the computer say to the keyboard? You're just my type.
Hey Siri, open the calculator app. So that's all. Now you can just go ahead and use Siri on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.